Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to reflect a shape on the mirror line. The mirror line that you have, it could be a vertical mirror line or a horizontal mirror line or a diagonal mirror line. They all the same idea that you will draw the same shape to the other side of the mirror line. As you fold, if you fold the piece of paper, the two shapes will be identical. So the easiest way is to do by counting. First of all, we must highlight and number all the corners of the shape. Like for this shape here, for this corner, I mark it 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm going to count the same number of square of these points, how far it is from my mirror line. If you can see, my mirror line here is the dotted one here. Can you see it? It's here. This one is my mirror line here. So for the first point, it's already on the mirror line itself, so from the other side is going to be as well on the mirror line. Point 2 is 1 square away from the mirror line, so I will go to the other way and count 1 square, and this is my point 2. Point 3 also 1 square, so I'm gonna count 1 square here. 4 is 2 squares away, so 1, 2. Point 5 is 2 squares away, so I'm gonna count on the same line, 1, 2. And point 6, it's already on the mirror line, so I'm gonna highlight it as well here. And you will match all the points, 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now I have the same shape if I shade it like that to be clear for you. But you have to match the points with a ruler so you can see the accurate shape. Now they are reflected. If you fold the shape, the piece of paper is going to be identical. The horizontal one is the same idea, but some of you may get confused about how to reflect on a diagonal mirror line. And the same idea, but we're gonna count a little bit different. How? First of all, I will highlight my points. For example, for this triangle, I have the 3 corners. I marked them 1, 2, 3. You have 2 options. You may go diagonal from the mirror line, like here it's a half square away, so you go half square away from here, and this one as well, and this one. But some may get confused if you have a bigger shape or many corners. So another easy way to do is to count the point until you reach the mirror line. To reflect this shape, it's gonna be here, so it's gonna be down. So you're gonna count the point until you reach the mirror line, then you're gonna count the same number of squares down. For example, number 1 here, it's 1 square away, so until you reach the mirror line, then you're gonna count 1 square down. Here, 1. Point 2, it's for how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, until I reach my mirror line. Then I'm gonna count 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And I'm gonna mark it 2. Point 3, it's 1 square away from the mirror line, so until I reach my mirror line, then I'm gonna count 1 down. This is gonna be point 3. Then you have to match them using a ruler to be an accurate shape. Now I have my shape reflected exactly here. For example, if I go to this one, this corner is already on the mirror line, so it's going to be on the mirror line. This one is, this time I'm going to count until I reach my mirror line. Okay, then I'm go up because the empty space is up of the mirror line. So this one is the same. This one is 1, so I'm going to count 1 and match it together. If I didn't want to mark them, so you have to match every point that you plot. This point, okay, we're done with this one. Here it's away 1, 2, so you go 1, 2. Then you match them. And here, this is the next one. It's a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one, 1. If you get confused, you may shade it like that. Trace it so you know how many squares it's far away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the last one. It's for 1, 2. So it's 1, 2. Now you can see that if you fold the piece of paper through the mirror line, it's going to be 2 identical sheets. Thank you.